This is going to be a presentation on my Hispanic culture by myself, Alondra Soto. Alright, so our beliefs as number one would be hard work, as well as hard workers, and efficient work. We like to get our jobs done correctly, but not halfways. Our values are family and also being respectful. That is a main value in our Hispanic culture. Uh, as far as my family and how I got taught. Our expressive symbol would be, as our language would be Spanish. That is our main language as a Hispanic culture. And for daily practices in my family, we like to pray before we head out to work, when we wake up, when we're about to go to sleep, and just pray for like anybody that asks us for a prayer, and we pray as a family. And then also, it's not a daily practice, but on Sundays, we all get together, aunts, uncles, and everybody, and we just have like a little cookout in the backyard, and we just like get all together. But also as a family, we all work, so after 5 we're all home, and then we enjoy dinner together, and then we go to sleep and have to wake up again early and go to work. The different agencies would be family. Family was the number one that taught me about my culture. Friends, because my friends are from the same culture. Religion, I am a Catholic, and Hispanics are mainly Catholics, but not all. And then social media would be a big part, as the news that talk about the Hispanic culture and so on and so forth. The impact that has in my identity would be the way I act in public, the way I talk with my Spanish language, and also when I mix my English and my Spanish. The way people see me as a respectful young lady and or young male. It just depends. And then my culture is well talked about in the rural society as hard workers. We are the ones that are working hard out there under the sun. I'm not saying all Hispanics are. There can be different cultures, but uh, mainly Hispanics. And then my culture has high standards for the children. We are raised to be respectful, well behaved in public places, and just being respectful to anybody. Even though they're being rude to us, we gotta be respectful. And then influenced by things that influence my behavior are the way, as I said, my culture raises their children. And then my culture also pushes their children to strive for the best. They Hispanics always want their best for their kids and don't want any less. So one thing my parents used to say to me would be always go to the university, always strive for the best, because I don't want you working out here in the fields in the hot. I want you in a career. And it's just like my parents did so much for me. They want me to like give back to them by being successful in life. And that would be my presentation. Thank you.